Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir. Sir,
Good morning.
sir,
Yeah.
what you have done in 2 days chapter,
Good morning, sir.
Monday and Tuesday, which exercise you have done?
We
I
have
can't
done
remember.
we have
Good
done
morning, sir.
exercises. Good morning. We have done exercises 4.5 and
Homework you have given the exercise 4.6 question B to do in homework.
yes,
Sir, I complete that work.
all of you.
Sir, I have not attended classes of 2 days, so sir, please tell
Yes,
how many pages I have to leave.
yes. Actually, we have done exercises 4.5 and 4.6. So 4.5 question A is done in the book. 4.6 question A is also done in the book. 4.5 question A and 4.6 question A are done in the book. Question B of 4.5 and question B of 4.6. Question B of both the exercises are to be done in the copies. Okay. So you can leave, I think, two pages of your copies for these questions. Okay. Okay, we will start exercise 4. Have we started exercise 4.7? We have to start, I think, today. Yes. Let's
Sir,
start.
today we will start it. Sir, today we will start because yesterday in homework we have given the exercise 4.6 question B to do in homework.
Okay, exercise 4.7. Question number 1.
Sir, you have to start writing exercise 4.7 in a notebook.
Yes, exercise 4.7 in the notebook.
We have not discussed the answer of exercise 4.7 B1.
4.6 question B was your homework. Okay, it is to be done in
Sir,
the
I am
copy.
asking, we have not discussed. We have not discussed the answers. Sir, I have done, sir. We will
Okay.
not discuss the answers of them. Or sir,
We
we will discuss.
can check the answers from the book only. The answer sheet is given in the book. You all can check your answers from the answer sheet. If you
Yes,
have
sir,
any doubt, if you have any doubt,
answer sheet.
if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. In any question, if you have any doubt, you can ask. 4.7, question number 1. Okay, all of you, please remain quiet. Samrit, can you read question 1 of exercise 4.7?
Yes, sir. The sum of two number is 86,73,872. One of the number is 34,05,632. Find the other numbers. So we have to add it.
No, we don't have to add data.
Sir, we have to subtract.
There are two numbers. Suppose if I give you, I'm giving you an example. Okay. Don't write this. This is an example. Suppose there are two numbers. The sum of two numbers is suppose given 20. एक example दे रहा हूँ बेटा मैं, ठीक है? Suppose that the sum of two numbers is given 20 and let the first number be 15. The second number is not given. Second number is not given. So can you tell me what will be the second number? 15 plus what is equal to 20?
5.
15 plus 5 will be equal to 20.
We have to do this like this.
No, beta, not like this. This is, I'm explaining this. Okay, explaining the question. So if we add 5 and 15, we get 20. So कैसे आप लोगों ने आंसर कैसे निकाला? You subtracted 15 from 20. ऐसी तो निकाला 5. ये 5 कहाँ से आया? 20 minus 15 करके, am I right or not?
Yes, sir. We have minus.
So if we subtract 15 from 20, we get 5. Similarly, same thing we have to do in this question. Don't write anything. Abhi, I'm just explaining the question. The sum of two numbers is given 86 lakh 73,872. This is the sum of two numbers. If the first number is 34 lakh 5,632, then what will be the next number? Second number क्या होगा? So to find this number, this missing number, you will subtract 34 lakh 5,632 from 86 lakh 73,872.
73,872 by 34 lakh 5,632.
So from this number, we will subtract this number. Okay. So let us start doing. We will write a statement afterwards, not in the beginning. First, you subtract both the numbers. Statement बाद में लिखेंगे. Okay. 86 lakh 73,872 minus 34 lakh 5,000. 34 lakh 5,000. 632. So subtract the numbers.
Sir,
0,
question
4,
we have to
2,
also write the statement.
13 minus 5, 8, 6.
Sir?
Just wait, beta. So
Sir,
answer
in this question we have to also write statement.
is statement. We will write the statement afterwards, after doing subtraction. So the answer is
Sir,
52 lakh.
52 lakh 68,240.
So the other number is up. Now you can write the statement.
Sir, we have to write a statement of this also. Sir, we have to write question
So
also.
the other number
Excuse me, sir.
is,
Sir, we have to write question also.
no beta, question नहीं लिखना है. 52,68,240. Understood?
Sir, done.
Sir, in this question we have to write a statement also.
बेटा ये लिखा है हमने, देखो ये लिखा है स्टेटमेंट. Question number 2.
Sir, can I read?
चलो Summer, read the question.
Sir, we have to write the statement.
Question 2. Yes, we will write these statements. Summer.
Sir, question 2 is the post office had 67,34,127 postcards which were not delivered. 42,64,068 postcards were delivered on the next day. How many postcards were left?
हाँ.
Sir, in this we will do subtraction.
Okay. So can you explain the question, Summer? What is the
Sir,
meaning
may I
of the
tell
question?
statement?
Summer. Let Summer explain.
Sir, in this question, they are asking that on the 67,34,127 postcards were not delivered, and on the next day, 42,64,068 postcards were delivered. So, sir, we have to tell that how many postcards were left now.
Okay. Very good. Chalo. So there
Sir, may I
are
tell statement?
there are some postcards which are to be delivered. Total postcards जो deliver होने हैं वो कितने हैं? 67,34,127. So these postcards are not delivered. Total postcards. Now the next day 42,64,068 postcards were delivered next day. So still some postcards are remaining to be delivered. So you have to find this only, how many postcards are left. So what to do in this? We will subtract and find the answer. So first statement, total number
Sir,
of
may I check
postcards.
statement?
I'm writing with the total number of postcards equal to 67 lakh 34,127. Number of postcards delivered next day. नेक्स्ट डे कितने पोस्ट कार्ड डिलीवर्ड हो गए थे? 42 लाख.
2,64,068.
करेक्ट. So number of postcards left.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have written some different statements.
No problem, beta. No problem. You can write your own statements also.
So, sir, can I tell my statement?
No, I know that you.
Sir, sir, I am writing. Sir, I am doing my subtraction after where I have written numbers after the statements. I am doing.
No problem. No problem. No problem, beta. No problem. So 7 minus 8, 17 minus 8, 9. 11 minus 6, 5. 0, 0. 13 minus 6, 7. 6 minus 2, 4. 2. So 24 lakh 70,059 postcards are yet to be delivered. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So third one. Chalo, third one.
I didn't explain. Sir,
Listen. क्या करना है third वाले में? I am giving you some time for the third one. 3-4 minutes. 3 minutes. In the third one, you do the question, write these statements. I know you all can do it. It is a very easy one. Do the question, write these statements. Try to understand the question on your own, and then do it. Do it with the
Sir, we will
statements.
not write the statement that we have written in first one.
Sorry.
Sir, we will not write the statement after the
This-
answer. Yes, sir. This
No,
statement.
in the second one, actually, it is not required. We have already written it here. देखो ये लिखा है. Okay.
Sir, we have to write
So,
statement. Sir, we have to write like this also. Sir, we have to write. Sir, after minusing statement or after before minus?
No. Only this much. Okay. Okay. Question
only
3.
that much?
Start doing. Yes,
Sir,
beta.
like
Question.
that, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Like first one we have to do that.
Huh?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, like first question that we done. Sir, like that we have to do.
Question 2. You have to do like question 2, not like
Okay,
question
sir.
1. Start doing question 2. Sorry, question 3. All of you. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Okay, 3-4 minutes. Do it in your copies. Try to
इसकी
understand it
रेडी
on
से
your
क्या
own.
भैया को बहुत गर्मी लगती है.
Try to understand the question on your own. Okay. Find the answer. After that, we will discuss the question. Once you all have done, after that, we will discuss. Yeah, I can see only one of you have sent the answer till now. Send the answers, all of you. Send your answer of the third one in the chat box. Okay, now have you all done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have done third question. Can I start fourth question?
Just wait, beta. Let us first discuss the third one.
Yes, sir.
Question
I
two.
don't
Sir,
get it in the fourth question that what is the meaning of millage?
Don't worry, beta. I will explain everything. Just wait for the third one. Let us first discuss the third one.
Sir,
Varun,
may I tell statement?
can you explain the question, third one? Varun,
Yes,
go ahead.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, Ravi had saved rupees 5,98,421 in the bank. He wanted
Yes.
to spend rupees 6,45,500 on going abroad to study further. How much more money does he need? So, sir, in bank he has 5,98,421 rupees, but he need S6. But total money
He needs it 6,45,500.
is like 45,500. So we have to tell how much more money he need to make that money 6,45,500.
Very good. So we will find this amount
Sir, by subtraction.
by subtraction. Yes. From the total money जो देखो, all of you please listen. Total money जो उसको abroad जाने के लिए, abroad मतलब out of the country. So he wants to go abroad for higher studies. So उसको जो total amount चाहिए बाहर जाने के लिए, out of country जाने के लिए, abroad जाने के लिए, he needs 6,45,500. बट उसके पास जो मनी है वो कम है. कितना है? इन द बैंक ही हैज 5,98,421. So he has less amount. So he needs how much more amount for this? कितना amount और ज्यादा चाहिए? So we will find the amount by subtracting from the
Sir, so may I tell
total
statements
amount that
also?
he needs. We will subtract the amount which he already has in the bank. So
Sir, may I tell statements also?
no, not the statements. I hope you all have written the statement. The first statement can be total money required to go abroad is 6,45,500. ये first statement हो जाएगा. Second statement, money in the bank
Sir, my statements are different.
5,98,421. So
Sir, my statements are different.
amount required, amount needed more, that will be equal to 6,45,500 minus 5,98,421. So your statements could be a little different, no problem. You have to write
may
your
I
own
tell what?
statements only, no
Sir,
problem,
the
beta.
answer will be
Whatever.
46,759.
Sir, may I?
नहीं बेटा,
Sir, may I
wait.
tell what are my
हाँ.
statements?
I have written
नहीं.
the statement like. Then I have written the statement
नहीं
like.
बेटा, Summer, don't worry. You don't have to tell these statements, okay?
No,
I know.
I want to check because I am having
अच्छा
confusion.
चलो बताओ.
Sir, I have written that money saved in the bank equals to rupees 5,98,421.
Okay.
Money
Very good.
wanted to spend rupees 6,045. 40,500. Money needed more.
Correct statements. No problem. Absolutely correct.
Sir, may I tell my
9
statement?
minus 2 7.
Sir, I also want to check
0.
that are they correct?
Varun Goyal, yes.
Sir, saved in the bank is equal to rupees 5,98,421. Wanted to spend is equal to rupees 6,45,500. Money he need is equal to rupees 47,079.
Absolutely
Sir,
correct.
it is correct.
Correct. Wait. So answer is 47,079 rupees. Okay. So I hope you all have written rupees, the symbol of rupees also. ये लिखा है आप सबने?
Yes, sir.
Rupees.
Yes, sir.
Very
Sir,
good.
sir, where it is needed, I have written all.
Okay, very good. चलिए, let's move on to next question. हाँ इरम बताइए. Tell.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have written that Ravi had rupees in the bank. Ravi wanted to spend for study 5,98,421. Now Ravi needs money. Sir, the answer.
Correct. Very good.
Sir, the question 4 may I?
नहीं बेटा वरिन, अब कोई और समझाएगा. चलो इरम try the fourth one.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
Mr. Puri's car can travel only 2,000 kilometers. He has already driven 1,000 kilometers.
It is 2 lakh.
2 lakh kilometers. He has already driven 1,27,835 kilometers, and he wants to go from town A to B to town B, which is another 55,674 kilometers. How much mileage will he have after this?
So that means, चलो मैं explain अभी करता हूँ, but look at this question is very funny.
Yes, sir.
I will just explain the question. Just wait for some time. Question is funny.
Sir,
why it is funny? Varun Goyal, why the question is funny?
Sir, first, sir, may I tell what we have to do in this?
No. Okay, let me tell you why the question is funny, because town A, look at the distance given between town A and town B. कितना distance दिया है town A town B?
Sir, 55,674 kilometers.
55,674 kilometer distance between two towns. Oh my God. ये टाउन ए मुझे लग रहा है टाउन ए अर्थ पर है एंड टाउन बी जो है वो मून पर है. आई थिंक टाउन बी इज ऑन मून.
Yes, sir. I also was thinking this only, sir. That a town A to town B could not.
May I ask you a question?
Sir, I think that it is the perimeter of the earth.
Sir, may I ask you a question?
Yes, Varun.
Sir, only you can answer.
Sir, I am Kushal.
Sir, so sir, question is, sir, who is more? Sir, हमसे कौन ज्यादा दूर है? सर मून और अमेरिका।
हमसे मून ज्यादा दूर है या अमेरिका? अब तुम कहोगे, मैं आंसर दूंगा मून ज्यादा दूर है, तो तुम कहोगे हमें मून तो यहाँ से दिखता है, अमेरिका यहाँ से दिखता नहीं है, तो बताइए कौन सा ज्यादा दूर वो है ना?
यस सर।
May I also ask a riddle?
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
नहीं 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 नहीं, not now, not now. Let me tell you something.
Sir, if
बेटा,
all of them will ask riddles, then they will,
हाँ,
it
all the time
will
will be finished in the
not
class.
be
If
the
everyone
math class,
starts,
it will be the
if
riddle
everyone
class.
starts asking riddles, then the time will be finished. All the time will get finished in this only. Okay. So I was telling you that अर्थ की circumference क्या होती है? The circumference of Earth is 40,000 किलोमीटर के आसपास, ऐसी कुछ है, nearly 40,000 किलोमीटर. Circumference का meaning होता है, suppose if you start from Bareilly and you go all around the Earth, पूरा एक चक्कर आप अर्थ का लगा लीजिए and come back to Bareilly. दोबारा से बरेली पर आ जाएंगे, पूरा एक सर्कुलर राउंड लगा करके बरेली का, मतलब अर्थ का एक पूरा सर्कुलर राउंड लगा लीजिए and you again come back to Bareilly. This is known as circumference. तो ये जब आप वापस बरेली आ जाएंगे घूम के पूरा, तो that distance will be nearly 40,000 kilometers. 40,000 किलोमीटर के आसपास होगी. Okay. So, and the distance that they have given here in this question, this distance is 55,674 kilometers between town A and town B. Very funny. I think town A is on Earth and town B is on Moon. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And you the answer also of this question.
Sir, I think that town A is on the earth and town B is on the sun.
Yeah, there is sun.
Answer also of this question.
Yeah.
Sir, I think.
Okay, so
I think town A.
कम दूरी पे start होता तो धरती जल गई होती पूरी.
Sir, I think town A is on Earth and the town B. Sir, and town B is northern side the solar system. It is in Andromeda galaxy, I think, sir. I don't think it is in Milky Way galaxy.
Sir, it is on another galaxy.
I am.
So beta, चलिए, all of you. See, what is the meaning of the question? Let me explain first. See, there is a car. Mr. Puri has a car. It can travel 2 lakh kilometers. Total distance जो कार चल सकती है मिस्टर पुरी की, that is 2 lakh kilometer. 2 lakh kilometer के ऊपर जैसी जाएगी वो खराब हो जाएगी. ठीक है, तो उनको पहले से ही पता है मेरी कार 2 लाख किलोमीटर चलेगी, बस 2 लाख किलोमीटर से ऊपर जैसी मैंने चलाई कार खराब हो जाएगी. तो he has already driven 1,27,835 किलोमीटर ऑलरेडी चला चुके हैं मिस्टर पुरी अपनी कार. अब उनको टाउन ए से टाउन बी जाना है, 55,674 किलोमीटर चलानी है कार और टाउन ए से टाउन बी जाएंगे. तो दैट मीन्स अब टोटल डिस्टेंस वो कितना चला लेंगे? ऑलरेडी 1,27,835 चला चुके हैं, अब 55,674 और चलाएंगे. दैट मीन्स ये दोनों डिस्टेंसेस हम ऐड कर लेंगे. वी विल ऐड बोथ द डिस्टेंसेस. तो हमें टोटल डिस्टेंस जो मिस्टर पुरी की कार चल जाएगी वो हमको पता चल जाएगा. अब कितना और वो अपनी कार को यूज कर सकते हैं ये हमको फाइंड करना है. ओके, so how much mileage will he have left? That means कितना और distance उनकी कार चल सकती है. How much more distance he can travel with the same car, ये आपको find करना है. So 2 लाख में से जो total distance cover करा हुआ जो आएगा वो minus कर देंगे 2 लाख में से. You will get the answer. Understood? Have you all understood the question? Just answer my question. बस इतना आंसर करना है yes or no में. Have you understood my question or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, meaning understood. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I cannot understand the fourth question. Please explain it again.
Beta, I will explain the fourth question again, but not in this class now because only 10 seconds are left in the class. So we will be discussing the fourth question again in the next class. Okay.
Bye bye, sir.